child. Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
And why I got to step out my car?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Huh? No, I'm not stepping out my car.
Get out of the
What I'm stepping out my car for?
I'm reporting this. Get out, bro.
Fresh ass don't never tell me what to do with my car. Get your ass out my seat. Just get out my car.
Christmas night, Polk County, Florida. A routine tag light stop and a family that couldn't keep their story straight. On December 25, 2024, officers pulled over a vehicle for a tag light violation. 2 women inside. What happened next was not about the light. The driver gave officers a false name. Then she sent her daughter out of the car to back it up. That decision created every charge that followed.
On Christmas 2024, police conduct a traffic stop on a woman for her tag light and discover much more.
I don't always tell. Could you not shine that light in my face? Don't act like you don't know me. Please don't do that. Jesus Christ. A whole bunch of women. Only thing he had to say was the tag light I should need to have that. You gotta do all this here. Y'all come up there and talk to everything y'all know how to get right now. Come on, man. I mean, it is Christmas. Christmas Eve. Come on, man. Come on, man. I don't make no sense.
What are you getting so mad about? We haven't done nothing.
Because I just look, I'm trying to enjoy my night. And then I get pulled over.
Are you worried about there's something in the car you don't want us to find? No.
There you go. How you doing, baby? You're welcome to search this car. I don't have nothing to hide. It don't matter. You can search the car.
All right, Mr. Child. Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
And why I got to step out my car?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Huh? No, I'm not stepping out my car.
Get out of
What
the
I'm stepping out my car for?
I'm reporting this. Get out, bro.
Fresh ass don't never tell me what to do with my car. Get your ass out my seat. Just get out my car. What you don't tell me to get out of my car? It don't matter. What I have to stay on my car for? I don't know when I got to step on my car for. Give me that phone if I can call somebody. They can put it off. What you don't touch my pocket? What you touching me for? What are you touching me for? What the hell?
Wait,
my finger ring?
What is y'all pulling her?
Wow, what's wrong? What you doing all this for?
For what? Her license or
My license is
everything is valid in her car.
What the hell? You taking my pocketbook? For real?
What the fuck?
Wow. And he act like he don't know me. He ain't never had no problem with me. That's crazy.
I don't know why you're acting like this.
Because you doing all of this for what? Not a tag light?
Don't worry about it.
Wow. And these people know me, they always talking about me. That's crazy. Like, wow, I'll never get in problem, bro.
Because you're not running this traffic stop, he is, okay?
That's crazy. Why are you doing all this? What's all this for?
You shut up, I'll tell you.
They take they arresting my mama.
She's just been putting
She's being detained. She's under arrest.
Oh, my goodness. People having a Christmas party, and I'm
Lord, jeez. She never even did nothing or been arrested.
What is all
We'll
that?
address that when we'll talk to him and get out. All right, let's get her back.
You said stay in.
I got it.
What's your name, ma'am?
Sierra. Was it the 1015 was called?
Huh?
Zamaya Fitzgerald.
J-E-R...
M-A-I-H.
M-I-A?
M-I-I-H. I'm like freaking out.
In Florida, providing a false name to law enforcement during a stop is not a minor infraction. Under Florida Statute 817, it is a third-degree felony up to 5 years per occurrence. The daughter gave a name. The name was fine. It was the birthday that caused problems. She gave 3 different answers inside of 2 minutes. Officers asked again. The year changed, then changed back. Then she couldn't name the month. She wasn't nervous about being caught, she was nervous about being caught lying. Her explanation for not knowing her own birth month? Dyslexia. Dyslexia affects reading and processing text. It does not affect the ability to recall the month you were born in.
Everything's all right.
So is my mama going to jail?
Not at this point in time. She's still detained. What's your middle initial?
I don't have a middle initial.
Birthday?
October 24th, 2002. 2001.
What's that? When's your birthday?
10/24,
Year?
2001.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You said 2002 before.
I'm nervous. You guys are freaking me out. My mama is going to jail, and I'm freaking out. I'm fucking up here recording, and I don't know what you want me to say. Why is y'all asking me questions about me?
I just want to know what year you were born.
2002.
Well, you just said it was 2001.
2001, I'm sorry.
Alright, we'll come back to this.
She was acting normal.
Acting herself.
No.
She's acting herself. That is her normal self.
5 or 11, I got 3 by name. Date of birth?
Huh? I can't make no calls, Mom.
Yes, you could. You can use my phone.
Call the security.
Because who is the sergeant?
The sergeant's coming, all right?
5 or 11.
Either 2001 or 2. Either 2001, 2002. It's 2002 now?
You can look it up.
Well, I'm trying to figure that out. I don't know if it's 2001 or 2.
Okay, I said you can look it up. I said my bad. I have dyslexia. What do you want me to do?
Oh, I see.
Why do y'all have to be so rude?
I just asked you your birthday, and every time I ask you, it changes.
Okay, I said I'm sorry you're arresting my mom, and I'm kind of like freaking out.
How
I ain't never been no trouble. My mama, me, none of us, bro. For no reason. We went this way and came up, and I forgot who pulled.
Jackson, you been arrested before?
I got a pool.
Huh? Are you on parole or probation?
Ma, you not. Can I at least talk to her?
No, not right now.
Do I have kids? No, I
You're not getting arrested or nothing. They just detaining you. I told you just get out.
She can't get out.
I'm talking about of the car when they was telling her to get out.
Jeremiah's no record 3 ways. If it isn't 24,
Yes.
I have a deal afterwards.
Oh, can I get her pocketbook?
Hey, what month were you born in? What month were you born in? What month is that?
I don't know the month. I have dyslexia. I told you.
You don't know what month you're born in?
I don't
October?
know the
October?
Yes, October.
October or
October
August?
24th. I don't know the month because I'm dyslexic. What? I don't have to lie about the month. I don't know the month.
You're saying it's 10/24, not 8/24. Jeremiah
You're not in your
Fitzgerald.
pocketbook. Yes.
10/24, 2001 or 2.
2000.
Do you have a license?
No, my ID is at the house.
26, switch it back to that.
Hey,
No, you didn't tell me.
I did tell you. I said stand right there. Next time you go in handcuffs, you go in my car. Stop. All right? You're going to go to jail. You're 24. Stop.
She's not 24. How old are you?
24? Stop acting like
You're
a
born in
toddler.
98, you're 26.
26?
You don't know how old you are and you don't know when your birthday is?
You just going to your cigarettes.
It's a crazy family, man.
I'm not used to being in this situation.
But you guys don't know how old you are and you don't know when your birthday is. It's crazy.
No, I know when my birthday
I told you I don't know the month because I have dyslexia. I'm for real. So I don't
But what is that? What does dyslexia have to do with you not knowing the month of your birthday?
I really don't know how to read, so I don't.
Hey.
Don't go.
Yeah.
Tell her we can't come. She
said
said
get
us in trouble.
Let us move.
Hey, Red. They don't come over because you come over, they're
Yeah.
gonna arrest you.
They been. They're not gonna come over to the service though. Especially them over there. I got it. Shit. You see? Y'all gave these out?
I got.
Ma, I didn't say he wasn't inside of the car. I said I didn't know what he was doing over there.
They all like you. Yeah. Not this one. We can't find her though.
Look it up.
It's not. It's saying no record found.
Officers ran the name. No record found. That is not good news for someone who has claimed that name as their identity. The system was simply confirming what the birthday already revealed. Under Florida Statute 817, the false name the daughter gave on behalf of her mother constituted fraud. She was not a bystander in this stop. She was a participant in the offense. A real date of birth surfaced. April 2 1997. Different from every version she had given. Attached to it, a warrant. Not her warrant. Her mother's. For failure to appear, it was Christmas. That fact was noted. It did not change the outcome. The warrant was valid. The name was false. The handcuffs followed.
Well, you can follow me over to the house and I give you my ID. Handcuffs.
You're going to jail. You might be released, but you have no option. Okay? Do you think it's 8/24? Is it August? Have you lived in Polk your whole life?
Yes, I know my whole life.
Okay. Do you have any twin sisters?
I don't have a choice.
Okay. Alright. So, give him your full government name. If you have a middle initial, that will help. If you don't have one, okay. Give him your date of birth. First name again.
You have a warrant.
Okay.
But if you give us a false name, it's just another charge of robbery.
Okay.
I found the proper birthday for Jeremiah Fitzgerald.
Okay.
It's going to be 4/12/97.
She's still her.
Turn around. Put your
I
hands
got
behind your
a
back.
warrant.
No, it's still not coming back. So until you...
04/12/1997, Jeremiah Street.
Remecia now?
Well, you told me it was Jeremiah Fitzgerald.
told
You're
you
definitely
the
going
truth.
now.
Please don't do that. I'm telling you the
I
truth.
gave you plenty of
I just told you my real 04/12/1997.
That's not how it works.
Let go of the lighter.
Like, here, give the lighter.
And
You have
I'm
to.
not going to get out because I'm going.
Unfortunately, you can't lie to law enforcement. So that's how it works. Maybe it's a lesson
But did I
learned.
have one?
We let you go. Do you have
I'm
one?
asking you, did I have one?
We'll figure that out later. Now you're giving us your own name.
Yeah.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
No.
Here's where it stops.
I don't
We're
have
past
anything.
it
You
now.
can search me. I don't have nothing.
Merry Hanukkah and happy Christmas.
Oh, she's been to jail.
I know.
I know who she is now. But
She's been to jail?
yeah.
The daughter was charged with obstruction and fraud for providing false identification. She also carried a warrant for failure to appear. The obstruction charge was later dropped. The fraud charge was not dropped. She was found guilty. Florida law treats false identification to law enforcement as a felony, regardless of whether any other crime was committed during the stop. Now the grades. The officers get an A. They did not escalate. They ran every version of the name and birthday. They let the story collapse under its own weight because they knew it would. Under Graham versus Connor, Patru sute noozeci. As refig disses the batter parts. Sembe Bachelio. Officer conduct is evaluated on what was reasonable, given the information available in the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision in this stop holds up. The driver gets an F. She refused to exit the vehicle. She gave a false name. Then she recruited her own daughter to deliver it. Florida Statute 843. 02 obstruction of an officer adds up to 1 year on top of the fraud. The daughter gets a D. She was handed a name and a story. She could not hold it together under basic questioning. She had the right to remain silent. She chose to keep talking. The court found her guilty of fraud, not her mother. Her, the person who did not commit the original lie, was the one who made it a prosecutable offense. Lesson: when an officer asks for identification, providing any false information, including on behalf of someone else, creates personal criminal liability. Cooperation is not the same as incrimination. The right to remain silent exists for exactly this situation. It applies to passengers. It applies to family members. It applies on Christmas night. If you want more bodycam, the moment suspects don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. What do you think her sentence should have been? We'll see you in the next one.